Summer is on. Nakapag-beach ka na ba? Or naghahanap ka pa ng magandang beach resort near Metro Manila? Tara, samahan mo ko dito sa Steels Calatagan Beach Resort. Located at Calatagan, Batangas, just 3 to 4 hours away from Manila. Pag pumunta ka dito sa Sibels, kailangan mo mag-book sa kanilang email at steelsales@gmail.com. You can stay here for day tour and even overnight. Day tour starts from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. For 700 pag peak season at 600 naman kapag off season. 6 years old and below are free of charge. You have access to the pool and beach areas. Meron din silang 30 pesos per head for tourism fee. Meron din silang corkage fee kapag magdadala kayo ng pagkain. Or kung wala naman kayong baon, pwede kayong umorder sa kanilang restaurant na serve ng mga sasarap na pagkain. Okay din ang day tour pero mas suggested ang kanilang overnight. Sa sobrang laki ng place, kukulangin ang day tour mo. Meron pala sila dito 3 beach, ang Serenity, Destiny at Harmony. Lahat yun may access ka. They also have 2 big pools, ang main pool at ang infinity pool. Ang check time naman for overnight is 2 p.m. and ang check out is 12 noon. Ang kanilang overnight ay may kasamang breakfast buffet na kahit makailang round ka, pwede. Bukod dyan, kung trip mo naman ng glamping or camping, pwede yan. For more info, you can also visit their website at www.steelscalataganbeachresort.com. Kung napapanood mo to, sign na para mag-beach si Sibels. Deserve mo yan!